So, David.
Don't film that.
Today's destination diecast is situated in Coleman, Alabama, one of my favorite stores in all the world to go to. Let's go to Diecast Extreme. Pulling into Coleman, I always get a little boost of energy, excited about what lays ahead, and I'll show you why. As you pull into Coleman, you have to stop at the local pilot station, which has an incredible selection of Greenlight for all you Greenlight collectibles fans. Previously, an episode of Diecast Breakdown let you know that you can find Greenlights at your pilot stations, and this is one of the best examples of that I've ever found. I'll show you real quickly what's on the pegs here before we head to Diecast Extreme. Diecast Extreme is a store started by David Doonan about 2 years ago and is quickly becoming one of the go-to places in the South here in the United States, if not one of the best diecast stores in all the world. Bear with me while I get my soda and snacks, and let's hit the road. You guys are in for a treat today. As you pull down the road to get Diecast Extreme, you'd never guess what lays ahead or what's in store for you, because as you'll see when you drive up, it doesn't look like you were headed really anywhere. You got a pretty boring 2-lane road that'll intersect here, and then off to your left, a couple of unassuming white buildings. One of those has one of the best diecast stores in the world, so let's go check it out. Today, on this day, we were fortunate enough to go in while Dave was opening the store, and I'm going to show you around. Catching him before he got everything open and all the lights on was a treat, because we got to look around before the customers start streaming in, and this being a Saturday, that was a good thing. This place will get busy fairly quickly. While David unloads his latest acquisition, another collection he's bought, let's take a sneak peek at the shelves. We've got pegs, we've got wall-to-wall cars. David has got a wall here of premium Hot Wheels. Right beside that, he's got some Porsches all separated, and that's the beauty of this place. He's got them separated by the automaker, so if you know what you're looking for, you go right into the section that you're looking for. He's got a lot of mainline Hot Wheels and Matchbox on these walls in the front room, all separated by automaker. If some of the pricier stuff is more what you're looking for, then you are in luck too. This wall here on the right, this back wall, is nothing but treasure hunts and RLC convention cars, all the high-end stuff. We'll go by those. We'll do a flyby here just to show you. He's got the $1 and $2 cars, but he's also got these really valuable Hot Wheels as well. There's something here for every collector. And I mean that. We're not looking only at 1/64 scale. He does have a growing supply of larger scale that are here in this room off to the left. As if that front room that we are in now is not enough, you walk across the threshold to this back room, and it's just breathtaking. There are literally 10 to 20, maybe 40 or 50,000 Hot Wheels hanging on the pegs, all separated by automaker, by era, by type of car. If you're a muscle car fan, there's a section for you. If you are a European or JDM fan, those are all separated as well. An amazing endeavor to separate all these 4 shoppers taken upon by David. As I look at some of the inventory of stuff that he has bought recently, I just really impressed at the quality of merchandise. This card here is 20, 30 years old. Not a blemish on the card. Had the fortune of listening and watching Dave at work. Nobody knows this business more than he does. He's working with a customer here and negotiating a deal.
Like the stock market.
Nobody knows more about this business than David. As I watch him unpack the collection that he bought, when I wasn't bothering him, I was asking him why he created this store in the first place. I think you'll like the answer. All right, David. Tell everybody why you started Diecast Extreme.
For the most part, it's because I've always enjoyed toys. I always enjoyed Hot Wheels and cars. A long time ago, years and years ago, I always saw myself having some kind of hobby shop or toy shop or something like that. And I bought and bought and bought, and I finally accumulated enough between the 12 by 24 building, a 10 by 20 storage unit, a garage, my downstairs, my neighbor's garage. I finally accumulated enough stock to where I felt like I can get it going, and once I got it going, it just took off.
Took off indeed. You are gobsmacked just standing in this room and looking around at all the cars. On top of offering some of the best prices for diecast collectors in the country, he also hosts regular diecast trade days. Join me as I go through a box of someone's cast-offs, chase pieces. Dave knows a lot of the best collectors and a lot of the vendors in the area, and they are quick to join in on his trade days. Just another reason why Diecast Extreme in Coleman, Alabama is one of my absolute destination diecast places. Hope you enjoyed getting this, and if you get the shot in the Coleman area, please stop by and give Dave a big hi for me. I'll see you next time.